Hey, what's going on, guys? Gamer Garrett here, back again. And I'm playing Clash Royale on my phone account. I learned how to recover my account from my tablet, so now I have it on my phone, and I will be playing my Clash Royale on here. So this is I've been playing this for about 2 months now. Maybe 3 or 4. This is my deck. It seems really good, and the elixir cost is very low too. I thought it was gonna be very high considering that I have the P.E.K.K.A, and as you guys can see, I have the legendary Inferno Dragon. I got this from the gold chest. It was so surprising. I'm in arena 6 now instead of 1 that I did in my first video. This is my clan. You guys can join it. It's the new clan. We donate all the time. You can answer the question that's in our description. And yeah, there's 4 of my friends in here that I do videos with. That I will be doing videos with. I don't think anyone's online right now, so let's go try and unlock the contest streak. You guys can see how I tend to get very high because I get so focused. Dragon is healthy when it's in the woods, which I was supposed to reach definition. Dang it. Actually takes out army very fast. I just don't like this. I'm gonna use my things to make the world more equal. Star to open the contest. Yeah, I'm gonna do to do 86. Don't use any of those, so yeah, well, got a lot of gold. I'm gonna open this right now. And that's it. I'm gonna end the video here. Again, make sure to go join our team called P.E.K.K.A team with this symbol. There are no trophies. It's open, and we always love to donate. So, I'll be in it. You'll be on YouTube most of the time. So, if you would like YouTube, make sure to be very active. And yeah, make sure to join. And hope you guys enjoy. And see you dudes on the next episode. Bye. I don't know why I just did that. I thought I ended the video.